raining. It's cold. I don't think you guys could see anything out here. It's snowy. There's no electricity. But it's a little dark in here. This is the kitchen. You can barely see what's going on. Can't cook anything. Look at Sasha's even freaking out. But what's this? We got a party going. Party going. Fan going. Cooling the rest of the house. Sashi's partying. Can you see her? Sashi. Party. Party's going on. Fireplace, it's 70 degrees in here. Sasha's chilling like a pup. Sasha's chilling like a party. Oh, look at those poor people across the street with their little flame on. They must be sucking it. But we got a party, fire, party. Then it gets dark again. Can't do anything in the kitchen. My food's all defrosting. But what can you do? In the bedrooms, it's a little chilly. But it's a party. Matter of fact, I could even go poop, and it could still be a pooping party. Pooping party. Bedroom party. Pooping party. Sasha party. Sasha. Pooping party. Snow party. Sasha, what do you gotta say? Nothing, right? Sasha's out.